Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Apple ID account could not be created at this time. Now, if you're getting an error message that looks like this, there are two places to check. The first one is to head into the Settings app of your iPhone. We can create a new Apple ID account just by getting into the Apps section at the very bottom. So tap on Apps. And now we're going to just scroll down until we get to Mail on this list. Where is it? There it is. Just tap on Mail. Now let's create that new account by tapping on Mail Accounts. You can see I already have my iCloud account associated with my Apple ID. However, I can create a new Apple ID account by tapping on Add Account here. And it says, all right, enter your email address. But instead of doing that, I'm going to hit choose from a list, that little blue link. And now you'll be able to see at the very top is iCloud. Let's tap on that. And again, I don't have that other Apple ID account, but at the bottom it says create a new Apple account. Just tap on that. It will immediately pop up and ask you for your birthday and your first and last name. Enter in all that information and you should be able to create that account. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, you're going to hop out of here and instead open up a web browser. And on a web browser, we're going to go to account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com. And on here, it will immediately ask you to sign in, but we don't want to sign in to the old one. Let's create that new account just by tapping on that drop-down arrow at the top right. And then we'll choose Create Your Apple Account. Similar to before, we're going to enter in our name, your birthday. The email address here can't be the same email address as any of your old Apple accounts. And then you can enter in your phone number. And then at the bottom, just hit the Continue button and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll catch you on the next one.